I think it's this way. Oh, they got this. Hello, Hola. Hash. Oh, that's liquor. That's liquor. I just thought they had the smoothies. Okay.
Hi, you're good.
Thank you.
This is my business card. Emeralds right there. If you have in mind to buy emeralds or buy gold, silver, whatever you want, come to my side. I'm gonna give you a better discount.
Gracias. I'm gonna keep this. I like that. You know, give me a quick spiel. Give me a business card and let me keep moving. You know. So I gotta get the new one, right? So I got the old one. That's crazy. What's up, dog? How you doing, man? You can just tell when it's another brother on the block. Feeling like the Dolo brothers, they ain't trying to be seen. Okay, so I just hit a complete circle just now. No, I'm looking for nothing. I'm looking for nothing. Why I can't just be sightseeing, cook? My almost got me hit by a car. Boy, I'm not looking. Nah, no gracias. I love the salesman, man. Now, we hit the streets. Check my battery. Oh yeah, we're fine. We're doing great. Oh my God. Yeah. Let y'all know, I ain't trying to like hit him directly with it, but no gracias. What I was about to say, I was checking my phone, chat, my bad. Bro distracted me. But yeah, I ain't trying to put it directly in my face, but in their face, but it's 5:55 p.m. Yeah, I'm just, it's options, you feel me? That's all I can say. Okay? No hablas español. How you gonna tell a nigga you don't speak Spanish and Spanish? He knew I wasn't having that. The park is jumping. It's like a lot of dudes be out here dolo too. A lot of black dudes, they moving smart. They're not getting seen by too many people. They're not getting seen by too many people. They just know what they're doing. To me, overcast is like the best season to come out here, bro. To be honest, cause it be hot. It be hot. And we black. It's still hot for us. It's so crazy watching people try to take pictures over here. You got cars coming, groups of people. Just a lot going on. Oh, pardon, desculpa. Ooh. I'm surprised this many people still outside, but they probably so used to rain at this point. It's refreshing. Oh, gosh. Centro comercial Getsemani. There's some good artists out here, man. Uh-oh. I think everybody just kind of cleared out from over here because of the rain. One day I gotta tell y'all about Solomon. Yo, my home is gonna be so hyped that bro with the meat truck still right here. Oh, what's up, man? What's up? Beautiful food. It's one of the few places. What's up, baby? It's one of the few places it can get rained out and you can still have a good ass time. It's crazy. Ooh, I hope I didn't step in that shit. It's a little too quiet. Yeah, you can stay in the hostel right there. Yeah, we'll explore a little bit more here either tonight after El Centro or tomorrow. Yeah. They still talking about Monkey Bar too. I believe that's the strip club. Yeah, Monkey Bar. They don't be promoting nothing else. The Monkey Bar? Monkey Bar? We're gonna walk through the park then. Find a little spot. We're gonna find a little spot. It's crazy because this rain probably gonna last like 20 more minutes max. Okay. And then it rain. Oh, this not helpful enough. Damn. Oh, he tore the whole block up. outside just to get warm. Even the dogs staying out the way. Get back into the wall city. As you can see, this shit starting to clear up like a motherfucker. Hey, y'all done seen Cartagena doing a lot of things, but thunderstorm? I don't know. This might be a first. Y'all know me, I'm gonna risk it to get the biscuits, you feel me? I just need somewhere I can dry up now, cause my last Uber asked me if I was wet before he, like, dude was literally sitting on the street. And he asked me was I wet before he moved. And he was waiting a good little minute cause I didn't see the message. Dang, which one of these entrances got the most girls? This niggas over there. Oh yeah, that's where the chicken's at. Scoop up, pardon.